last time. What do you want to say to him?
Adam, a better coach for me I could not find. And I thank you every day for turning around for me, and I thank you every day for choosing me. And I just want to say that it has been an absolute pleasure. You are just a great, solid guy. And it's been nothing but joy to work with you and to just have the moments we've had. You've been a shoulder to cry on, you've been a friend, you've been invested, you've been true. And I love you, I trust you. Thank you.
Jackie, Will, and Tessanne, one of your lives will change forever. I will first reveal the artist in third place.
Will.
The finalist in third place is... Will Champlin. Congratulations. A great season. Big hand for Will Champlin, everybody. This time the voice comes to an end. That leaves Tessanne Shin and Jackie Lee. Ladies, one of you is the voice. Let's find out who it is. The winner of The Voice is... Tessanne Shin will be Wednesday night on The Tonight Show with Jay Leno. Check her out there. Coach Adam, here's the trophy. You can present it to her. We have a song coming up for you. Tessanne, the stage is all yours. Ladies and gentlemen, back to business. You won. It's time to start working. I'll hold this. Debuting. Her debut single,
Come on in.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tessanne.
Yes, man. Okay, all right.
Central here on NBC.